I don't drink of gallons. Instead, I drink of quarts. I don't wear pants, so watch your shopping. Instead, I watch short shorts. What is something to do? Pull the switch, King. I'll become a monster and beat the chocolate monster. All right. I'm gonna go beat the chocolate monster. I am strong enough now, King. Oh, that hurts. Hey, I'm changing back to normal. Chocolate monster raid. Ha! Something I want others feel the pain. Chocolate monster raid. Ha! Sorry, we're away from the mic to breathe. I'm the cat in the hat, there's no doubt about that. Well, this ball is hard bouncing on. Whoop. Oh, I fell off the ball. A wild everywhere appears. Go, shotgun! Shotgun, use kill! No, I gotta find a master ball in this dump. I couldn't find a master ball, so this hammer might work. Jelly! Yes! Congratulations! You caught a dead angry bird. No! The goat, or sheep, whatever this is, singing Never Gonna Give You Up. Forget the words. Thanks for watching the second episode of Short Tracks. We come back on Sunday.